Hi guys, today we have two beautiful ladies and two beautiful outfits. These sweaters are the same, the difference only that they have different lengths of the sleeves. So let's try it on our dolls. Which one is better for Agnes? I think this, and this one will be for Natalie. Let's start from Agnes. I think that this skirt will be better with this sweater. And these shoes. These shoes are from Imogen Lennox, but it suits good to Agnes too. The first one is ready. And now Natalie. They have a small button on the back. And this skirt. This one is from Imogen Lennox too, but it's not to fashion royalty. And let's try to put on these boots from Jasper Jagger. Of course, it's not her size, but to make some photos, it will be good. So now we have two ladies, Natalie and Agnes. Which one is your favorite? Write in comments. It is very interesting to know. But for today it's enough. Thank you for watching.